Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Vibes Education. Date, the 26th of July 2021 day, Monday. Pertinent adjective prasangik, relevant. Synonyms, to the point opposite. Antonyms, irrelevant. Example sentence. She asked me a lot of very pertinent questions. Embellish verb adhik rochak banana, elaborate. Synonyms, embroider, exaggerate. Antonyms, simplify. Example sentence. Followers often embellish stories about their heroes. Judicial adjective nyaik, legal. Synonyms, judiciary, juridical. Antonyms, illegal. Example sentence. There would be a judicial inquiry into the allegations. Faction, noun, andruni color, infighting. Synonyms, dissension, dissent. Antonyms, harmony. Example sentence. The army faction strengthened day by day. Desperate adjective nirashajanak, despairing. Synonyms, hopeless, anguished. Antonyms, cheerful. Example sentence. As the supply of food ran out, people became desperate. Tiresome adjective thakane wala, boring. Synonyms, dull, tedious. Antonyms, interesting. Example sentence. Reading is a tiresome but essential job. Glorified verb mahima mandan karna, ennoble. Synonyms, exalt, elevate. Antonyms, dishonor. Example sentence. A football video went viral glorifying violence. Abate verb bhanna, subside. Synonyms, lessen, let up. Antonyms, intensify. Example sentence. In an hour or so the storm would abate and they could leave. Fleeting. Antonyms, lasting. And synonyms, fleeting adjective kshanbindu, brief. Synonyms, transient, short-lived. Antonyms, lasting. Example sentence. For a very fleeting moment I saw his face. Glossy adjective sathi akarshak, expensive. Synonyms, high quality, stylish. Antonyms, cheap. Example sentence. That is just another glossy TV miniseries. Thank you so much for watching. Shining off.